Happy Thursday, my friends, and welcome back. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, the links to all the jobs I discuss will be in the description box below on YouTube. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the insurance company Nationwide. Now, Nationwide has financial products and insurance products, and they are looking for a financial services representative. They are offering a $2,000 sign-on bonus. So, as a representative, you'll provide extraordinary care to their members, partners, plan sponsors, and investment professionals. You'll receive and respond to incoming calls from investment professionals, plan sponsors, and members on a variety of topics, so you'll understand the different product suites, including the current lineup of their products that are no longer sold, but they still have to service as people are grandfathered in. You'll be responsible for interpreting and applying all changes and enhancements to new and old products based on their daily change communications. You'll maintain a record of the conversations and follow up a process of documentation to support the strategy of knowing the member better, and you'll educate customers to ensure understanding of any tax implications or penalties or surrender charges, death benefits. So that's probably like on their life insurance products or some of their investment products. Now, they require a high school diploma or equivalent. No college degree is required, although if you have a college degree in finance, business administration, or insurance, that is preferred. That might get you to the front of the line, but again, it is not required. Now, it does look like there is some kind of insurance licensure that they require you to get, and it says within a certain time period of being employed. So I'm not sure if they will help you obtain that licensure, and it says a credit check may also be required. But other than that, we're looking for someone who can have great leadership skills and great communication skills. Now, as far as pay and benefits, it says if you're in the Scottsdale, Arizona area, you can work in their office. Otherwise, this is remote. We are all interested in the remote option. It does include a salary of $45,000 a year. It says they also have a benefit package, which is outlined here if you want to click that link and find more about it. And the $2,000 sign-on bonus is given in two different parts. The first $1,000 is given after you have been there for 90 days or 3 months. The other $1,000 is given after you have stayed 9 months. And they do offer training. Training will begin Monday, September 19th, so get those applications in quickly. You'll have 6-week training program that is designed to set you up for success. Your training schedule will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And the work hours for the role after training is between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, occasionally working on Saturday. So you would have to ask this set schedule at the time of the interview. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.